To the distinguished guests, panelists, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. I am Cherry Lucy Mojica, Master Teacher 1 from Tansa National Trade School, with my co-researcher Margaret Gretchen M. Medionista, MT2 from Tansa National Comprehensive High School. Our research is entitled Teacher Burnout and Job Satisfaction Among Senior High School Teachers in the District of Tansa Cavite amidst the COVID-19 pandemic, Basis for Stress Reduction Program. Teachers are one of the most influential and powerful forces for equity, access, and quality in education, and are key to sustainable development. However, the COVID-19 pandemic led to the unprecedented and sudden changes in their teaching format that lead to teachers' burnout. Jacobson 2016 described burnout as a psychological syndrome of emotional exhaustion, depersonalization, and reduced personal accomplishment that can occur among individuals who work with other people in some capacity. On the other hand, job satisfaction refers to how content employees are with their job. In other words, whether or not they like the job or individual aspects or facets of jobs such as nature of work or supervision. Since job satisfaction is an important variable and can affect the rates and time of burnout, the relationship between job satisfaction and job burnout is studied. This study aimed to examine the relationship between teacher burnout and job satisfaction among senior high school teachers in the district of Tansa Cavite during the COVID-19 pandemic, and the results of which shall be used to propose an empowerment program among the teaching staff and find support at the workplace to be positively predictive of job satisfaction and negatively predictive of burnout. For the literature review, Fletcher and Payne identified that a lack of satisfaction can be a source of stress, while high satisfaction can alleviate the effects of stress. The study reveals that both job stress and job satisfaction were found to be interrelated. Meanwhile, in the study of Landbergis, it showed that high levels of work stress are associated with a low level of job satisfaction. Moreover, Cummins has emphasized that job stressors are predictive of job satisfaction and a greater propensity to leave the organization. The findings of PIRSA 2013 showed that there was a significant and positive relationship between responsiveness and job satisfaction, and a significant and positive relationship between job satisfaction and job stress. Furthermore, in the investigation conducted by Bati et al. In 2011 showed that management role, relationship with others, workload pressure, homework interface, role ambiguity, and performance pressure was examined as determinants of job stress, and the result revealed that there was a significant relationship between 4 of the construct tested, and there is significant negative relationship between job stress and job satisfaction. Result revealed that job stress had negative impact on their health.
For the findings, it is found out that Tansa National Trade School and Tansa National Comprehensive High School, senior high school levels, teachers' burnout was relatively high while the job satisfaction was just average. Moreover, testing for significant relationship reveals that there is a significant negative relationship between the teacher's burnout and the teacher's job satisfaction. This result suggests that most of the respondents have mixed feelings or uncertain about their job satisfaction. Thus, it can be concluded that with the teacher's high level of burnout is indirectly proportional to their job satisfaction. There is a need to address the teacher's burnout and job satisfaction. This confirms a study by Jacobson that teacher's burnout is related to job satisfaction. For our recommendation, firstly, the school by all means should try its best to keep the burnout level of its teachers at a minimum by instituting a teacher burnout reduction program. Secondly, it is obvious that most of the employees are uncertain about how they feel at work. It is suggested that the teachers learn to assess their job satisfaction. If they think that they are satisfied in their job, they have to keep that. However, if they feel that they are dissatisfied at work, they have to find their motivation to love what they are doing so that they would perform better. And lastly, the teachers have to develop awareness which factor triggers their stress at work most, how they think they cope with the stress best, and how they assess their job satisfaction. By so doing, they will be able to mitigate the impact of job stress, and thus they could improve their performance at work. Before we end our presentation, we would like to share the quote cited by Mohit Agadi. According to him, it doesn't matter whether you do a small or big job. What matters is job contentment. Thank you so much.